Here's how you can easily restore your recently deleted posts on Instagram. So first up, let me delete a post. So I'm simply going to click on these three dots and then delete this post. So let's say I want to find the post that I have deleted. I can easily do that by clicking on these three lines right over here. And then go over to your activity section under the how you use Instagram. Once you do that, click on the recently deleted option right over here. And you should see your recently deleted post. As you can see, here's the post that I recently deleted, and you can easily restore it by clicking on it and then clicking on these three dots and then clicking on the restore option and then restore again. And if I go back to my profile, you'll be able to see that let me just refresh. The post has been restored. So that's how you can easily restore your recently deleted posts on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.